What is going on, these squad? Diaz here. Today I'm gonna be switching out the antenna for the 1994 Mustang, because the one it has right now, the stock antenna, is just... Here, let me show you guys.
It makes it look a bit too tall, so we're just gonna change it up and see if it's worth it.
So I pretty much got this antenna from American Muscle. If you have any American Muscle car, I recommend you go check it out there. The tool I'll be using is this. So right off the bat, you can tell the difference of these two. Look at that. Look at that. That's just crazy. The whole difference. Not only does this help out, it just makes it look a little bit better. Or I think it would. And who knows, maybe in the future, I might delete it and make it more modern. But let's just take this out and see. Sometimes you can do it with your hand. But if it's like the stock one, something like this, just find the measure and then, you know. So, let's take it off. Just like that. That's simple. And just look at the comparison. I don't know about you, but that's pretty original. Look at that. This right here is the new one. Such a difference. So let's just install this and see how it looks. Then you got the one that I bought. Okay. See, gotta measure it and then just make it snug. Don't make it too tight, just snug. Okay, so where is it? Right here. Snug, there you go. Because you don't want to strip it, especially because it's an old like part. You gotta strip it. Dang, I gotta do something about this paint job. Paint job, because I really want to wrap it. Because look how bad this looks. But yeah, just like that, a big difference. Like comparison, what? It's like half of its size. So this, I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm actually gonna keep it just in case something ever happens to this one, or I just want this one for whatever reason. So I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna keep it. It's still good. I mean, nothing bad with it. Besides that, it's a little bit dirty, but other than that, chipped off, not bad. Ooh, silver does look kind of nice though. I ain't gonna lie, silver looks kind of nice. But it's that easy. Did it in less than what, 3 minutes? You got the right tools and right everything. Oh, just get this, put the size, screw left, take it out, put the new one in, stump it, done, just like that. So that's gonna be the end of the video. This is probably the fastest video I've ever made in my whole YouTube career. But other than that, make sure you guys do like, comment, subscribe. Maybe in the next video, new throttle body, new cold air filter. We'll see what's gonna happen. But other than that, hope you guys have a good day and see you guys next time.